Hi guys, just want to say Merry Christmas, and I wanted to show you guys an unboxing of my Philips audio. Yeah, well, here they are. Do want to point out that these open just like the Beats by Dre. This is your warranty and manual and all that stuff. Or like your cord breaks or any of that stuff. And your nice big hard shell case. And nothing else in there, so. And these, it's got a magnetic flap on it too. So that's a plus. So onto the case. Got your flip symbol. It's got racing red on it. It's got a neat little carabiner. Metal carabiner. I tell you, this thing's pretty massive. So when you unzip it, what you're gonna get is this nice case. And you pick up, you got your headphones and a charging cable. The charging is for the battery, which powers for when you flip it out. Point out that these click. That's very nice click. I'll show you again. And this side clicks too. It's very nice. So on this side where the cord goes in, if you fold it down here, that's where the charging cable would go in, like so. So you can plug it in and charge up your battery. And let me also say, when you flip it out, flip out this side too. There's a light over here on this one. And then it turns solid when you're listening to actual music on it. So, yeah, this one's your left ear and that one's your right. These are very comfortable headphones. It's like memory foam, and I gotta say, these way less than the Beats do. They're softer than the Beats are. They're more comfortable. And instead of just metal, it's reinforced by plastic on the other side too. So, it's a plus. And these have really nice, clear, crisp sound to them. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day. And Merry Christmas. One thing I did forget to say in the video before this section was that they're noise canceling, so I can't hear myself talk. I can hear my own heartbeat through my ears. It's ridiculous. But I'm not listening to music right now, but they have amazing sound. And yeah, like for comfortability, it's a 10 out of 10. And weight, a 9 out of 10, because it doesn't weigh nothing per se. It's just really light, so it's 9. And boxing, I give it like a 9 because it's really high quality boxing and stuff. So yeah, they're all over really good headphones, and they're only about $120 unless you go to Walmart. Then they're like $130, but still really good prices. All right. Thank you for watching.